Welcome to AHA Radio, the first interactive, personalized radio experience that gives drivers access to great web content, but with an interface that isn't dangerous when you're behind the wheel. Whether it's traffic reports, info about nearby food options, podcasts, or audible versions of Facebook and Twitter, AHA Radio has you covered. Now let's update our stations and get started. Here you can add or remove stations, as well as change the order in which they appear. The order is important because a simple two-finger swipe can easily change from station to station. If you see a gear symbol, that means there are settings or options for that station. As you can see, we've already got some food choices set up, but you can change these to whatever options you like. If you'd like to add stations, you can choose from AHA stations, podcasts, and Twitter. While we're here, let's add the media player so we can access content from the built-in iPod, karaoke to hear other AHA users singing in their cars, the Glee Twitter station, and the following station, which I'll tell you about in a little bit. As you add more stations, new pages are added to the right as needed. Let's take a look at some of these stations. For a quick update on the major roads that are closest to your current location, check out the nearby traffic station.
I-280 north from De Anza Boulevard and Cupertino to El Monte Road in Los Altos is green, with a travel time of about 5 minutes.
You'll get audio reports of the nearest freeways in both directions with traffic flow information and incident reports from traffic services as well as other AHA users. If there are traffic corridors that you always want to keep an eye on, regardless of your current location, you can set those up in the My Traffic station. This is a great way to keep tabs on your commute even before you get on the road. If you want to create your own traffic report, just tap the microphone and record a traffic shout to tell other drivers what you're seeing. 280 northbound, coming up on De Anza Boulevard. Just saw a major wreck. Looks like it's going to be really ugly. Watch out.
Thanks for leaving a shout. It will be reviewed and posted soon.
With AHA Radio, you can also keep track of what your Facebook friends are up to by heading over to the Facebook station.
Eric Dunstan. Wow. Squirt soda in the vending machine. Score. Helen Yan wrote to Cheryl Fuji.
You can listen to the latest updates from your friends or record audio messages that will post right to your wall. When you're all caught up with your Facebook friends, you can also listen in on topical Twitter lists by visiting one of the Twitter stations.
Grabbing EDUB from school. Back soon for more humps.
Maybe you're in the mood for a podcast. You can stream the latest episodes of your favorite podcasts right to your phone. No downloading.
This is Fresh Air. I'm Terry Gross. Our interview today is about science, ethics, class, and race.
If you're looking for a different episode, just swipe to the side for previous shows. If while you're listening to a podcast you need to report a traffic incident, just tap the traffic button to jump right over to nearby traffic and leave a traffic shout. When you're finished, you can jump right back to your podcast. When it's time to make a pit stop for some food, you can check out the Hungry station to get personalized results based on your own preferences.
BJ's Restaurant and Brewhouse is on Infinite Loop, near the intersection of De Anza Boulevard.
AHA Radio will read results to you, and if you need to pull up a map or call ahead for reservations, just tap either of the buttons at the bottom of the screen. AHA Radio may have been streamlined and optimized for use while you are behind the wheel, but when you aren't driving, AHA offers a more interactive display mode with more options. Let's check it out.
That will advance through centuries of hip-hop legacy.
Here's the karaoke channel with the alternate view. Just tap on the arrow at the side of any shout and you'll see options to follow, share, or give a user a thumbs up.
Bling bling.
I hopped off a plane at LAX, lived my dream in my cardigans.
The follow option is almost like creating your own custom greatest hit station. Once you follow a user, all of that user's shouts will appear to you in your following station. And this works for podcasts too. One station I haven't mentioned yet is the AHA Help Station. It is the place to go to get information about all things AHA Radio related.